Here are three information you can add on your CV as a fresh graduate whenever you are seeking for jobs and other opportunities. There are majority of job applicants out there who complain about their inability to seek for and apply for job vacancies because they see themselves to be lacking the necessary experiences and skills needed to occupy such positions. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you three information you need to add on your CV as a fresh graduate whenever you are seeking for opportunity. One of them is internship. Internships or industrial attachments form part of your work experience. So whenever you are seeking for opportunities or whenever you are applying for jobs, ensure that you include it on your CV as part of your work experience. The next tip is volunteerism. Volunteerism or any learning activity you have engaged in also form part of your work experience. So whenever you are preparing your CV, ensure that you add them as part of your work experiences. The last tip is your national service. National service is one of the simplest and easiest work experiences you can include on your CV as a fresh graduate. So whenever you are preparing your CV, ensure that you list these three information you are seeing on your CV to make sure that you also have or stand a chance to occupying the position or vacancy you are applying for. This is AG Professional Services. You can follow us for more tips like this.